Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in Massachusetts on this Ranger RCI X9. Michael got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. You wanted the voltage regulator upgrade. We did that, as well as electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and we did that as well. Let's get right to it. I'm going to turn the RF power all the way down. We are in AM mode. 100 watt slug. About 1.5 watts, 2 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run an amplifier. You'll have full adjustability. 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, about 70 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 155 PEP. We're at sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3. About 140 on sideband. All right, Michael, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Bum bum.